Fellow 1/6 scale collectors, what's up? It's SS Joe Ducati Boy here. Just got this figure in right after the Batman one a couple of days, the DX Luke, and I just so psyched for this one. Hope this helps you guys decide whether you want it or not. I'm just loving it. Alright, start off with the box here. You get this totally nice black box with this kind of like satiny finish. Kind of looks like leather. On the bottom you got Terminator 2, Judgment Day T800. You can see it there. The box is so nice. It's a typical DX box, but it feels so sweet. With the chrome lettering there. And on the side you got your buttons. It does look different than the other ones. It's not just the hidden magnets. In the back you got your usual credits, warnings. And let's quickly get to the inside. You open it up. I love this box. It's my favorite DX box. Give you a shot there. Remember when he says that to John Connor in the end of the movie? I now know why you cry, but it's something I can never do. It's just beautiful looking there. The bottom, T800. Then you got your, just like the DX, this thing pops out. You could pause it if you want to read that. And you just pull it off, and that's where he comes in. Got all that writing there, that there, and I thought he only came with a real leather jacket, but it actually says the pants are leather too. Pull this off, and that reveals your little accessories. Got the glasses, the chip, the piece that pops out, holding the chip, little pliers, and your skin flap for the head. Then you would pull this out. I already pulled it out for you. And it comes with the accessories. You got your minigun, grenade launcher, shotgun, pistol, the stand, the bag. You get what, 2, 4, 6, so 8 hands altogether. These pegs I noticed are bigger. Then you got the ammunition. The minigun is beautiful. It's weathered. It's just awesome. Alright guys, the guns are all weathered. This, let's see if I could do it left-handed. This little thing you turn like that and pop. You can load up the ammo. Shotgun is like the old one. It's got the Winchester, everything cocks. Alright guys, let's move on to the figures. There's the base. It's really sweet. It comes with batteries already. Got your switch in the back. Sorry guys, one-handed here. It lights up really nicely, unlike the Tron base. Here's a closer look at the shotgun. There's a microchip, the piece that holds it. Hey, don't run away too far. The top. And here is Arnie, the leather. So sweet. You could smell it. It's awesome. I don't have him perfectly posed yet. I was thinking that the head sculpt wasn't going to look as good, but I'm loving it. Little zippers work on the bag. You just load up the ammo in there.
To destroy the leader of the human resistance, John Connor.
It says it's a whole new body that they made for him. You could see the muscles popping out through the leather. It just looks beautiful. I'm just ecstatic about this figure.
The second was set to strike at John himself.
Sorry guys,
Still a
just
child.
trying to reach something. That head sculpt, it's beautiful.
As before, the Resistance was able to send a lone warrior.
It comes with his glasses. The detail on this, I wish I had a really good camera. It's a little button on the gun there. The gloves are so detailed. The zippers all work. Those little zippers, not just the main one, but that zipper works. Put the pistol there. There guys, he's beautiful. And look at those boots. He's got great articulation. He comes with his little pliers there. There's the headpiece. You can't even tell. Alright, I took the jacket off from there. The skin, it's got great detail. You get the little freckles and stuff. Look at that face. Sorry guys, it's the iPad, so I'm really liking this head sculpt. Better than the old one. It looks way better than the prototype pictures right there. That's where you pop off that little piece of the hair sculpt, and that reveals, let me get my light here, that reveals the skin on that flap. The detail is so amazing. Yeah, so this flap, poop, comes right off. It's got that little lip right there, pops in there. Yeah guys, I'm loving it, just loving it. Alright guys, now bear with me for a second. Give me a second. Alright, I'm just taking, sorry guys, I wanted to take the head off to show you better. The back pops out like that. The usual magnet. Unlike with the Batman, the googly eyes and stuff, he just doesn't have googly eyes. Everything is flawless and moves beautifully. Yeah. So those pieces, they just fit in beautifully. Look at the detail on that blood on there. Oh, it's beautiful. Then you got the back of the head right there. Just the magnet as well. Bear with me guys, trying to do this one-handed. I dropped everything else, I don't know where the hell. Alright, I'll get back to it. Yeah, well, look, you can't even tell on the hair where that, you can barely see where the piece pops off there. The head, it's just beautiful. Look at that. The box is beautiful. Just for a comparison, there's the original. You can see the difference on the leather, it's shinier. I still love the original too, but I definitely think the new one, the head sculpt, is better. Alright guys. Yeah, I definitely think it's better. I got two of them so I could pose them differently. Alright guys. There's the original.
Your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
Alright guys. Hope that helped you out. It's us Joe signing off. Nenny D, hope you enjoy this 1/6 scale. Hope it helps you guys out. What's up, MRA? Alright guys, Mike Sean. Take care, guys.